everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Organizopedia. First of all, I'm really very sorry for not uploading any video on my channel. I just got myself very busy in some other household work, so I was not getting time to post and film videos on my channel Organizopedia. But from now onwards, I'll try to be more active. And regularly I'm going to post like one video per week according to my schedule, and that is on Monday. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how we can fold our clothes. You have seen so many videos on my channel about how to organize your clothes, how to organize your wardrobe. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can nicely fold all of your clothes on daily basis. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So first of all, let's see how we can fold our anarkalis and A-line kurtas. So first of all, you have to lay down your kurta on the floor like this, then fold it in half. Join both the two gheras very nicely. Now we have to make a straight pattern. That is why I'm just folding a little bit from the down and then fold the sleeves inwards, fold it in half and fold it one more time. And this is how you can fold your anarkalis. So here is a kurta which doesn't have any kind of a sleeve, it's a strap kurta. So just lay it down on the floor and I'm just going to follow the crease pattern. That is, you have to fold from the left and right and take both the gheras like this in the center and then fold it one more time. And this is how you can fold all of your cotton kurtas. So now let's see how we can fold these kind of cotton kurtas which has got sleeves. So first of all, lay it down on the floor, then fold it in half like this. Then you have to bring the sleeves also inwards. Now we have to straighten out the kurta. That is why I have just folded a little portion, and in this way you can fold it. So to fold your salwar, first of all you have to lay it straight on the floor, then take both the inner ends of the shalwar and then join it together like this, and then flatten out all the creases. This is the extra portion. You have to fold it in to make a straight pattern, then fold it in half and then fold it one more time. So these kind of palazzo skirts are quite easy to be folded. All you need to do is just take the outer corner of both the legs and then join them together. Flatten it out on the surface, release if you find any kind of crease. And now we have to make a straight pattern. That is why I'm just folding this particular portion, and now you're good to go. Just fold it in half. For leggings, lay it straight on the surface, then fold it in the half from the center. Now we have to fold this crotch part also and then fold it in half. There's an alternate way to fold your leggings. All you need to do is just lay it straight on the surface, fold it in half from the center. Now I'm going to fold this crotch part again from the top, and from the top only I'll start rolling it. In this way you can store so many leggings in a basket. Lay it flat on the surface and then I'm going to flip this kurta. Just fold it in half from the center. And for the latkans, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these latkans and put them inside one of the sleeves, and then I'm going to fold the sleeves also. And then fold it in center and fold it one more time. So I just keep the leggings inside the kurta only to save the heavy embroidery of my partywear suits. So now let's see how I fold the heavy dupattas. For it, I'm just going to take both the two ends and then I'm going to fold this dupatta from the center. And this is how I fold it one more time. So this is the heavy embroidery where I'm going to keep my shalwar kameez, and this is how I fold it and store it inside my wardrobe. Lay it flat on the surface and then fold it half from the center and fold it one more time. Fold it from the top and fold it one more time. In this way you can hang it on the hanger. If you want to keep it on the basket, just fold it one more time. So let's see how we fold the dresses which has got elastic. So this is how you have to join the two gheras and then fold it one more time just to straighten out the whole dress. Now take both the sleeves and just fold it inside in this way. Now start folding it from the top and fold it one more time. These kind of 3/4 frocks are too much in fashion these days. So let's see how we can fold the frock. So just lay it straight on the surface. Now we have to join the two ends of the gheras. So just hold the joints and fold it in half from the middle like this. Release if you find any kind of crease, just flatten it out. So we have this extra ghera. I'm going to fold this ghera one more time and from the top also. I have the sleeves. I'm going to wrap the sleeves around my neck portion, and from the top I'll start folding it and I will give it a one more fold, and in this way you can store your frocks in the baskets. And in the same way you can fold the dresses which has got the cold shoulder. So in the same way I like to fold all my maxi dresses. Some of them I like to hang them on the hanger and rest I store them in the baskets. As I said, some dresses I like to store them in the baskets in the file system. So this is how I store all of my maxi dresses. Lay your t-shirt flat on the surface and then fold it from the center. Fold the sleeves inwards and then fold it one more time. Just hold your top from the arms and then hold it from the armpit and then fold it from the middle. So this is the extra portion. I'm going to fold it also, and in this way you can keep it in your baskets. So this is the formal top which we wear usually for office. So I'm going to follow the three-fold system just to make sure that there will be no creases while I'm folding it. So just fold it from the left and right. Try to get both the sides in the middle and then fold it and keep it inside your basket. So now let's see how we can fold these kind of tops which has got very big sleeves. Hold the sleeves together, fold it from the middle, try to gather the sleeves together and then fold it nicely. Lay them flat on the surface. So these has got straps, just fold it from the middle, fold it one more time, then make a very small fold so that it can very nicely fit in the baskets in the file system. Lay it flat on the surface, hold it from the upper portion of the sleeves, then hold it from the armholes and then fold it in the half from the middle. We have this extra portion also, fold it and then you can keep it in the file system. Lay your formal pants flat on the surface, release if you find any kind of crease. If you have strings in your pant, put them inside and zip it. And then fold it in half like this. So this is the crotch part. We are going to fold this particular part inwards and then try to fold the pant in the half from the middle. So here you can hang it or you can keep it in the file system inside your baskets. Fold your jeans half from the middle, fold the crotch part and then start folding it from the top portion in the middle. So here's an alternate way to fold your jeans. Just fold the jeans in half from the middle and then we have to start rolling it from the bottom. So make sure while you're rolling it should be tight enough, otherwise there will be a lot of creases, and in this way you can store all of your jeans in the baskets. Lay the t-shirt flat on the surface, release if you find any kind of crease. Now I'm going to follow the three-fold system again. So we have to leave like 1 inch gap from the collar and then start folding it from the left side. Now we have to fold the sleeves also, and in the same way I'm doing it from the right side also. And once when you fold the sleeves, we have to fold it in half from the middle, and in this way you can fold your t-shirts. I always try to keep the collars in this particular way only. Lay the shirt flat on the surface, release if you find any kind of crease, and here I'm going to follow the three-fold system. So what I do is I just keep one finger across the collar and then I fold it from the one side. Then I try to put the sleeve also on the folded side, and in the same way I'm folding it from the other side also. And if you follow this finger system, you will get an exact fold of a shirt. So you all may agree here that the kids' clothes are the easiest to fold. So this is his t-shirt. So I follow the three-fold system here also to fold all of his t-shirts. And once I fold them nicely, I just keep it inside the baskets in the file system like this. To fold his jeans, I just fold it in half from the middle. And then I fold it one more time so that it can properly fit inside his baskets in the file system.
So I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, be organized and bye bye.